Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack Nancy in Dabanana. Ukati Somulifa, how does it get there? It beats me. Because this is the same person who you mastermind, right? And for analyzing at least originally to about 14, it's actually 10, right? Plus or minus 10. But you out working with us in Sentin. How is that possible? I'm just like, guys, kunzakalani? Imali engaka yebheli? Hayi, before besigcina ko-100,000. 400. Ngithe no, lo 400 sebewudivide kahle bawu-subdividile. I think the 2 is for the judge who lets him go high court. Bese kuzoba abanye futhi kulomunye 2. Because there's nothing like this, guys. How? Ngoba phela wena you were actually arrested for unaliving people, right? That's the first one. Secondly, what you mastermind? Yes, zonke izinto that has been happening, including Babita, including Aman Swart Mkumbul, the engineer that had some tender connected to Ansnet. Or DJ somebody bange namagaza abo nje uhamba namagaza abantu nje wena almost daily in your life. I'm just like, Njani, how are you walking free? I really don't get it. So which means you get matlala then uzopuma. I don't know what you guys think. I mean, that's my thing. That's my take on all of this. I'm just like, konzakalani. Funa nala baba izolo, Shedrack. Bese kuzoba I chief officer, but I guess I chief of the staff for uNxunu. Lo muntu are not so much for me. Bekufanele kube uNxunu obushwayo bese kuboshwa uSibiya. Because they've got this thing yokuthi untouchable. That's my problem with these people, including lo baba lo uthole ibill 400,000 rands, guys. So which means you now low 400,000 in that house yakho that you have in Sentin, that's 24 million. You definitely have a 400,000 stashed somewhere. And I'm just like, this guy was fine. He was a teacher in Soweto, and then he became greedy. And then he comes up with stories of, I know, I had to venture in some businesses. That's how they start spend. I had to venture. Gandhi, no, it's greed. Aweneli, Imalaga teaching. Fanele ube isigebengu of enkulukudu. Of eskeleke. Why? Ukuyibona leyo nto leyo. Hayi ke uphumileke for free brothers. I'm just like, what? I'm sure low 400 it was ready. Obviously, ngakaze afane nale case that I'm doing on News Galo and my other channel Guningia Mzansi, where I was talking about that lady that unalived the boyfriend in Midrand. Usistazi Bailey was 10,000 rands. At the time at Alexander Magistrate Court, they had 1,000 rands. But I know this weekend until you raise 9,000. Oh, brothers who found the Superman, I'm sure, same time. He's actually out as we speak now. I don't think he's staying for the weekend. It's like, see under Epic 5. What are you going to do? Someone to be seen. A judge, guys, literally envelope. Mark my words. Justice, asibonanga, a judge, a new envelope. But izofakwa le mali. Owuzothi ngicela nini as a cash because ngifuna ama transfer. I don't want problems. Hambe ekhaya. I need the 200,000 for my family now. Guys, like I'm saying, about South Africa mawungena imali, especially in Johannesburg, you are wasting your time. Usazohamba zobe mncane. Fanele ukuthi uzuyintshontsho futhi leyo mali actually ukuthi ube na proper money. Ubonile ngithi what happened to Hungani Maumeli. That's not a life that. 3 Lamborghinis. Engibinge nayo ngisho na number plate. Khona ozowangibuza on the comments othi malini. Ngathi siqala ko 3 point into. You know people who speak like that. Siqala ko 3 point million those things. Like uzoyithatha phi? Zikhona licensing. They're actually not far from my work. The Mercedes is right next to my work. I'm just like, malini those guys. Like why? We are even learn to guys. Guys, life. Shame. It's crazy, guys. You know, we work like you've never. Because they are in some party or they in parliament. You know, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do to me? They live that life. Baphila kanjalo. Yokuzungithinta. imagine guys, yeah, no, phume kanjalo-ke lo abapha ngimsabani. Thank you so much guys for always watching my channel. Nginthanda over.